Hey everyone, if you often read articles online and want to save the most important parts, Glasp makes the process simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to highlight web pages with Glasp step by step. First, sign in to your Glasp account. If you haven't installed the Glasp browser extension yet, go ahead and install it first. Once everything is ready, open any web page you want to read. Next, click and drag your mouse to select the text you want to save. As soon as you finish selecting the text, the Glasp toolbar should appear near your selection. Now click the highlight button. Your selected text will instantly be highlighted and saved to your Glasp library. Depending on your settings, you may also be able to choose different highlight colors. If you want to add more context, open the saved highlight and write a short note. This is really helpful when you're studying, doing research, or collecting important information for later. Whenever you want to review your highlights, simply open your Glasp dashboard and visit your library. You'll find all of your saved highlights organized in one place, where you can search, edit, or export them whenever you need, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to highlight web pages with Glasp and keep your favorite information organized for future reference. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.